My name's Ingrid. I'm the production manager at Fremantle Chocolate. I organise all the staff layout, organise stock coming in, package stock going out again, and in between we do all the production. So that means buying chocolate in, melting it overnight, and then next day making all sorts of products with it. So we have two different machines. We have an anaeroba. So basically the chocolate is being pumped up and down, and you are coating things with it, like honeycomb, licorice. And we also have tempering machines, and that is where chocolate is melted in, and then we bring it down to a certain temperature, and we can make bars. We have a lot of loyal customers that come in repeatedly. First thing they get is a smell of roast nuts and the smell of chocolate. So when customers walk in the door, they're quite overwhelmed by that, and it brings a really nice sense of joy to them. And if you drop the quality, they'll notice. If you change the chocolate, they'll notice. So you want to keep that correspondence almost with them and keep them happy. And I strive to keep that level up.